Hello guys, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro, the group of 136 of the subject Introduction to Linguistics. Today I'm going to talk about the meaning of some words. For example, the first one is the phonetics and the second one is the phonology. So first of all, in order to understand this topic, we need to know the meaning of those words. So, the meaning of phonetics is the study of sounds when they speak and how they did it, transfers and transfers belong. It also refers to the connection between the written letter and the noise in a word. Phonetics help you when you want to know how a word is read and how you can write what people brings to understand them easier and they can understand them without more effort. For example, that, head, and sing. The second meaning that I will show you is the phonology. In this case, the phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies and describes the sound or allophone of language. It also studied how each of the articulation of the speech organs, in this case, refers to the sound that you produce with your mouth. In this case, should be used so that sounds can be said in a proper way according to their accent or intonation. In this case, I have two words, two examples. The first one is dogs, and the second one is cats. In this case, if you see the word dogs at the end of the word, there is a Z. But in the pronunciation, normally you finish or end the pronunciation with a Z. It's the same example with the cat with the word cats. At the end, oh, when you read the word cats, there is a S at the end of the word. But also the pronunciation finish with a S at the end of the pronunciation. Thank you so much for paying attention. Have a good day.